In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x80080204. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to reset your Microsoft Store cache. So I want you to press Windows key and R key together. And here, type for WS reset.exe and click on the OK button. Then you need to wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you have done it, check if the error has been fixed, okay? But if not, let's move on to the second solution, and that is to check for pending updates. So you need to see if your computer is outdated or not. How we can do that at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. As they settings, please proceed to the left pane, click for Windows Update. And then from here, you need to go with the search button where you can check for updates or where you can resume updates. Click on here and then wait until this procedure would be finished. This will help you to fix the problem and as well as make improvements on your device. In this way, you'd be able to fix the error. Okay? Another solution that you can do is that you need to run the Windows App Troubleshooter. How we can do that? I want you to open the settings again. And at the left side where you can see a search bar, type for Windows Store. Then you can find and fix problems with Windows Store apps. Click on it and then click on next so that you can detect problems and in that way you can fix that one automatically. Okay. So wait until this procedure would be finished. This will help you if the Windows Store apps is not working right. Okay. Restart your computer and you're good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.